This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the bunny belly box. And I am going to just start right away here by folding all of my pieces on the score lines. Flip it over, and I'm going to work on these 3 pieces first. These go on the outside of the box. You'll want to be careful with this piece because the top is curved, so make sure you get that on correctly. And we have feet too, but I'm going to glue them together, but I'm not going to put them on until I have my box put together so that I can see where I want them to be. Okay, now let's flip them over, and this piece gets glued here to the front. And then this rounded piece here is his white tummy. Okay. And I'm just putting glue around the outside of this piece. Gluing that into place. And I'm going to glue this onto the box. Now the bow. Pop it up with some foam tape. And now I can glue the sides of my box together. And do the other side. Now she's almost finished. We just need to put her feet on the front. I think I'm going to pop the feet up. And that is the bunny belly box. Thank you for joining me.